fire, I've been trapped through the rain. Lost myself in the hurt, drowned deep in the shame. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be installing a half wig from UNice hair. They just dropped their new Burmese curly finger coiled ends Meltline half wig, and I absolutely had to get my hands on one. First off, look at that texture in these finger coiled ends on the hair. It looks so good right out of the box. And I love this upgraded all-day comfort cap. It has built-in stability combs, this anti-slip silicone grip around the perimeter, and this new upgraded grip band for a more secure, firm fit and stable hold onto the head, along with a drawstring elastic band. They told me this is their best half wig yet, so let's try it on and see what it's giving. So to prep my hair lately, I've been two-strand twisting it instead of braiding it down. I noticed a lot less shedding on wash day when I do this opposed to my braids. And since my big chop, I've really been focused on healthy hair under my units. So this has been my method lately. I went ahead and braided down my leave out though, so when I take it out, it'll match the curls perfectly. I'm going to go ahead and put a stocking cap over my twists in the back, and then we're going to leave that braid out in the front because that is going to be our leave out. If you are unfamiliar with what a half wig is basically just a wig that you leave the front perimeter of your hair out and you put the wig on the back of your hair, and it just looks a lot more natural. Me personally, I love half wigs because I love how natural they look. And this new upgraded cap makes it look even more natural. If you guys can see, all I had to do was just go ahead and push those combs into the parts of my hair and also in the back and tighten it up. And that melt line on the cap gets it so close to where my leave out is. You guys, with most half wigs, I noticed that I have to leave a lot more of my hair out in the front just to be able to camouflage the front of that cap. But this one, I used minimal leave out, as little as I could, just to see if what they said about this wig is true. And it really, really is. I am loving it so far. I'm going ahead and pulling those curls out, and the curls look so pretty so far. This is the Burmese curly texture. I got mine in 20 inches and 180% density. I went ahead and showed you guys the back because I know last time I did a half wig install, you guys said, show me the back, show me the back. I want to see how full it is. This is 180% density, but if I had to guess, I would have said at least 200 because it is extremely full. So I showed you guys how this hair looked right out of the box, but I'm going ahead and wetting it and brushing through it so you guys can see how those curls look when they are wet. I personally prefer the Burmese curly in its natural texture when it's nice and big and fluffy, but I know some people do prefer that wet, juicy look with half wigs, so I wanted to give you guys that option. You can definitely wear it like this, or you can wear that big curly look. But for me, I prefer the big curly look, so I'm going in with my diffuser and I'm just drying that hair up to give me my desired look. While I was drying the hair, I could not help but think this feels like a sew-in. Like, it's so secure and it's so close to my leave out that it literally feels like a sew-in. Like, if I was going on vacation, I could wear this wig and not feel like it's gonna fall off my head. It's so secure, and I'm not just saying that. Like, I really, really like this new Meltline feature. It is really, really good. So as you guys can see, I just took my leave out braid out and it is blending perfectly with the hair. Like, look at this. That looks so good.
No, like, first of all, look at how natural this looks. Like, y'all, I know I've told y'all in the past so many times that I was obsessed with a wig, but UNice really, really took their time with this half wig. First of all, like I said before, I really love how snug this fits on my head. I don't think I've ever had a half wig fit on my head like this. I don't think, like, I feel like I could comfortably get in the water and swim with this wig on and it won't come off. Look at how good this looks. Like, look at how my hair is blending with this. This is insane. And usually with my half wigs, I leave a little bit more of my hair out, but I tried to be very, very minimal because, as you guys know, I did do a big chop last year in September. My hair is growing back, but I really do not want to damage my hair in any way. That was the whole point of me doing the big chop, to start over and like do it all over again. But y'all, look at how this blends. Look at this. Like, let me get closer. Look at how well that's blending with my hair. This is insane. I have been obsessed with half wigs lately, and I think I found the perfect one. I say that I'm obsessed with wigs all the time, but y'all, I feel like in this era of my life, I'm in a different era. Let's just be real. I'm in a completely different era. Like, I'm really loving the half wigs. Like, look at this. Y'all, tell me this does not look like my real hair. Tell me so I can put y'all to shame. Tell me this don't look like it's my real hair, like it's growing on my scalp. I really love how full this wig is too. I've done half wigs in the past and y'all have seen it. And I had to finesse and make it look a little bit fuller than what it was. But this one is already very, very full. So I'm loving that. Add a little bit. Nothing crazy. To make the edges not look so rough.
Life tastes sweet like a summertime fruit. Every little moment gotta shine to it too. Take my hand, let's dance real free. Move with the wind, let your heart just breathe. Joy in the air like a soft cool breeze. Glow in your soul. Girl,
again, guys, tell me this does not look like it could be my real hair. Tell me now, or forever hold your peace. This looks so good. Like, literally so good. So the last thing I want to do, I don't even have to cut the front. Well, I think I'm going to cut the front just a little bit. I'm going to trim it because my hair is so short. So, like, if my hair peeks out of there, I don't want it to be looking like, oh, that's her hair, that's where the wig starts, that's where her hair starts. So I'm just gonna go ahead and trim the front part. I'm not gonna cut it too short. I'm just gonna trim it a little bit shorter in the front part so it can give that effect. Exactly. And if you guys can see the shape of it, we just gotta shape it a little bit so it can look a little bit more natural. So I'm going to cut those ends off. Look at that. Let's do that same thing to the other side. Yes, 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 yes. This looks so good, y'all. Okay. Wait, y'all. Tell me this is not a look. Tell me this is not a freaking look. Like, UNice, y'all did that.
And your mercy keeps inviting all the weary parts inside me to return to where the healing starts and let your truth remind me. So I come back home to you. Yeah, I come back home and you. All the pieces that I scattered, you make whole like only you do. I come back home to peace where the storms inside me cease. I lay it all down, finally free. Yeah, I come back home to thee. I'm coming home.
I am not gonna lie, y'all. I think I love this. I love it. Go ahead and do the headband look with it, which I think is so cute, especially for my girlies who are in the gym. You can throw that headband on, go to the gym. You can toss it up in a bun, half up, half down. Again, you guys seen how it looked when it was wet and how it looks when it's dry. I personally just prefer this dry look. I think it looks more natural, in my opinion, with my hair texture. But if you have a looser curl pattern, you can wear it wet and I'm sure it will look absolutely stunning on you. But I'm loving this headband look too, and I think I may just wear it like this to the gym tomorrow, y'all. I may just wear it like this to the gym tomorrow. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video and you're interested in purchasing this unit, make sure to check my description box down below. I will have all the details. And leave me some feedback down below. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this wig. Would you ever leave the lace front wigs for half wigs? Let me know. Let me know. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.